Hello everyone, this is Teacher Doan and today I will teach mathematics. So this is mathematics for IEP grade 5. First, we have bar charts. Reading and creating bar charts with axis breaks. So first, we have here height of students. The name of the students are Kevin, Nate, David, Samuel, Powell. And also we have here the bar charts. In figure 1 shows a bar chart without an axis break. So as you can see, it is from 0, 20, 40, 40, 80, and so on. So in between is 20. But in figure 2 shows a bar chart with an axis break. In figure 2, 0 and direct to 120. So what is axis break? The axis break can be used to shrink a segment on an axis that all the bars surpass. Axis breaks make bar charts with similar data values easier to read. So as you can see here, from 0 and 20s by 20s. And the height you can see is almost the same in this bar chart. But we use axis break, meaning if that group of students, what is their height, you will cut. Example here, all of the height is more than 120. So you cut 0 to 100 and proceed to 120. So here you can see now what is the actual height of the students. But here you can see the differences but not accurate. But if we have the axis break, you can differentiate the height of the student. This is example of bar chart. This is bar chart and this is also bar chart, but you use axis break. So we have here example. TV program audience in a housing estate. So we have here number of audience and here is the program. So the programs in television, TV, news, documentary, travel, entertainment, drama, and others. So as you can see, this bar chart shows that the TV program with the biggest audience is drama. It uses the axis break because this one is 1,000 up viewers. So cutted from 1 until 999 because all of the programs watched by 1,000 or more audience. So news, documentary, travel, entertainment, drama, and others. So the biggest audience is drama with 1,467 residents watch it. The TV program with the smallest audience is documentary. So as you can see in the bar chart, documentary is the smallest. 22 more residents watch news than entertainment program. So news is 1,367, entertainment 1,345. So entertainment is smaller, 22 audiences. So you minus news minus entertainment is 22. For 26 more residents watch Travel than other programs. So, Travel, 1,219. Other programs, 1,193. 312 fewer residents watch documentary than drama. So fewer meaning smaller. So documentary is 1,155. Drama is 1,467. So if you minus drama minus documentary, answer 312. Okay, so that's all about bar charts. And now we will focus on geometry. So we will first review what are the words in geometry. This one is point. Add that with a letter. Lines. A line that goes on forever. So this is each side extends eternity or forever. So this is line, have an arrow sign. Line segment, a straight line. So you know already that line segment is having an end point. Line, no end point, it will extend forever. Ray, one line that goes on forever. This one have end point and the other goes plane, a flat and that extends. Intersecting lines, two lines that across. So this is two lines across each other. It is called as intersecting lines. Perpendicular, a right angle degrees or 90 degrees. So two lines when cross each other forms 90 degrees. That is perpendicular. Parallel, two lines that don't cross, do not meet each other, that is parallel lines. Skew lines, lines that are not in the same plane. Acute angle, a less than 90-degree angle. Obtuse, more than 90-degree angle but less than 180 degree. So meaning 91 degree until 179 degree is obtuse angle. Right angle, exactly 90 degree. Vertex, the midpoint or middle point of an angle. Straight, a straight line that equals 180 degrees. Complementary, if the sum measures 90 degrees, so 75 plus 15 is 90. These two angles, 15 degree and 75 degree, are complementary. Supplementary, if the sum measures 180 degrees, example 180, 180, so these angles are supplementary. Adjacent, side by side, common vertex and ray. So this is example of adjacent. Vertical or opposite are opposite two lines intersect. Now we have polygon. A polygon is a closed figure made by joining line segments where each line segment intersects exactly two others. We have here example of polygon. We have regular. A regular polygon is a polygon whose sides are all the same length and whose angles are all the same. The sum of the angles of a polygon with n sides, where n is 3 or more, is 180 degrees times n minus 2 degrees. So next time we will discuss this formula. So this is example of regular, meaning same measure of side and same angle. We have vertex of a polygon. The vertices of a polygon are the points where its sides intersect. So we have here this side and this side where they meet. So this is the vertex. If two lines meet, that is the vertex. Triangle, a three-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is example of triangle. Equilateral triangle, a triangle having all three sides equal length. The angles of an equilateral triangle are all measured 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle, a triangle having two sides of equal length. Two is the same and the other one is shorter or higher or longer. Scalene, a triangle having three sides of different lengths. Equilateral, same all side measure. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Scalene, no sides are equal in length. And we have also triangles according to angles. Earlier, triangles according to side. This one angle. A triangle having three acute angles is acute triangle. Obtuse triangle, a triangle having an obtuse angle. One of the angles of the triangle measures more than 90 degrees. That is obtuse, more than. Right, a triangle having a right angle. One of the angles of the triangle measures exactly 90 degrees. And next, quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Example, rectangle. A four-sided polygon having all right angles. The sum of the angles of a rectangle is 360 degrees. Square, a four-sided polygon having equal length of sides meeting at right angles. The sum of the angles of a square is same with rectangle, 360 degrees. Parallelogram, a four-sided polygon with two pairs of parallel sides. The sum of the angles of a parallelogram is 360 degrees. Rhombus, a four-sided polygon having all four sides of equal length. The sum of the angles of a rhombus is 360 degrees. Trapezoid or trapezium, a four-sided polygon having exactly one parallel side. One pair of parallel sides. The two sides are parallel, called the basis of the trapezoid. The sum of the angles of a trapezoid is 360 degrees. And we finish with quadrilateral, the four sides. Next, pentagon, a five-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. We have regular pentagon and irregular pentagon. Hexagon, a six-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. We have also regular and irregular. Heptagon, a seven-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a heptagon is 900 degrees. We also have regular and irregular heptagon. Octagon, an eight-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of an octagon is 1080 degrees. Nonagon, a nine-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a nonagon is 1260 degrees. Regular nonagon and irregular nonagon. And the last one is decagon, a 10-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a decagon is 1,440 degrees. We have regular decagon and irregular decagon. So we have more names of polygon. We will just stop here in the 10-sided polygon, the decagon. So that's all about geometry, the basic words in geometry. Next time, we will discuss more about the parts of geometry, especially the shapes. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Next time again.